What's up guys, it's Mikul here, and today we're going to be unboxing the Dyson Pure Hot+Cool Link Air Purifier. This is also a purifying fan. It basically is like temperature control, so you can have it either cold, like just a fan, or a heat control fan, which is like a heater, and it also purifies the air, which is extremely helpful. So this one is like the Link version. Make sure you can use connect it to your phone, and it automatically detects what's in your air and purifies automatically. So according to that, and also you can set temp settings and use your assistant to like control stuff. So this is liquid purifier. So let's quickly open this up. So this air purifier, if you can call it that, is extremely expensive, like $600 some, which is nothing, which is not that great, but it's a good purifier, and it's from Dyson, which makes it like 20 times more expensive than it actually is. So you have stuff here. I think it's get the Link app stuff. We have so you can control stuff from there. It's actually a pretty small fan. So here we have the remote. So we have it. We have this remote, and it's magnetically connected to the top. On the inside, there's nothing. So let's do that. So this is just basically air. Toss that aside. Access to the remote. And this is metal, so you can manually connect it. It's nice and convenient. It's really nice. Actually, it's a plastic. I assumed it was metal, but there's your controls right there. So these are like pretty good oscillation. It has like it has like a wider mode where it gives it for everyone, or like it's like a personal. And there's an automatic air purifying, oscillation, night timer, fan speed, temperature, and all that other stuff. Put that behind me. Okay. That extra purifier itself. So this is a Hepa filter, which is pretty good, and the filters are like, I think it was like $70 for like a replacement. And this filter is extremely small, probably say like 1 or 2 feet tall, I'm guessing. So let's put it down, and the cable stuff. They have more like cable stuff, which is connected, all that. So there's that, and top packaging. Oh, so we got the white color, and I didn't realize it's extremely like white. Let's do that. Yeah, there we go. And it looks really nice, and it's large. It's like the oscillation. It's like the no blade. This is the white version. So you got all your stuff here, and talks about the Dyson Link app. Yeah, and in the back here, I have no idea what this is supposed to be. Let's open it anyway. And something for the air filter. Oh yeah, you press this, and it releases this, and then which is your air filter here. So this is I think it's like the Evo air filter. So it uses Hepa fibers. So you have this outside one, and then you have like a carbon. I think it's a carbon filter. I don't think so, but it might be. So it's there, filter, and it just goes on the inside. So the fan blades are in here, obviously. So let's put this back. Like that. There's just 2 buttons on the side that you just click, and it comes off. And I have no idea what the thing in the back is for. So let's just put that back. And in the front, there's gonna be like a little display right there. So it talks about all that, and let's plug it in, because it's not right here. Oh, and it's a large plug. So okay, so it doesn't do anything, it's turned on. Oh, and you can move it up and down like this, which is extremely nice. And it's on heat right now. Now I have the remote, which is gonna be handy, which connects to the top like that. Let's increase the, oh, I can feel it. Oh my god, it warmed up really fast. I'm extremely hot. Let's set the, now it's just like a fan. Basically, when you click the cool button, I think it sets it to cold, but it's definitely, and it's craziest thing in terms of air, but it definitely works. So there's that. It's pretty small thing, so you don't get crazy amount. And let's put the wide mode, the larger mode, and whoa, instantly like spreads apart. So you have it like on 2 different sides, and then click the personal mode, and it instantly comes back together. There are a bunch of other settings. Let's put it on auto. So yep, this is the Dyson air purifier and the Hot+Cool link. Hopefully you saw this video, and I'll see you in the next one.